Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable fast charging in your device Samsung A31 and A71. So if you want to enable fast charging in your device Samsung A31 and A71, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable fast charging in your device.